Ever wondered how your repair skills could play a significant role in global sustainability? Basic repair skills like sewing and woodworking were once common household practices. These skills empowered our ancestors to extend the life of everyday items, a stark contrast to our current disposable culture. But there's good news. There's a growing resurgence of interest in these skills, a part of a broader movement towards sustainability and environmental consciousness. Isn't it fascinating how a simple skill like sewing or woodworking can make such a big difference? Let's dive into the story of Jane, a regular person just like you and me, who turned her basic repair skills into a lifestyle. Jane, a resourceful woman, became a veritable repair enthusiast. Her journey began with a simple sewing kit and a desire to mend rather than discard her torn clothes. This simple act extended the life of her wardrobe, saving her money and reducing her contribution to textile waste. From there, Jane's curiosity led her to woodworking. With a basic toolkit and a bit of patience, she breathed new life into a worn-out table, transforming it from a piece destined for the landfill into a cherished centerpiece. Beyond the personal savings, she was helping the environment by reducing waste and unnecessary production. Jane's life became a testament to the power of repair skills. Her actions, rooted in sustainability, echoed far beyond her home, impacting the world in a positive way. Jane's story shows us how each of us, with our basic repair skills, can make a tangible difference. Inspired by Jane's story, are you ready to embrace these skills? Basic repair skills aren't merely hobbies. They are essential tools for a more sustainable, self-sufficient lifestyle. By learning and applying these skills, you can save money and reduce waste, contributing to a healthier planet. It's a small step for you, but a giant leap towards sustainability. So, are you ready to take the plunge, learn a new skill, and join the movement towards a more sustainable future?